अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हाउ आर यू? कैफा हालुकी सुमेरा?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कई फालू की।
बिखैरन व आफिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। So can you tell me how's going your practice? And I can see in the group that there are no practice sessions happening these days.
जी जी, इसके बाद नहीं हुई।
Okay, so आपकी प्रैक्टिस कैसी चल रही है? How is it going?
मुझे वही ग्रामर वाली अभी सही तरह से समझ नहीं आ रही, बाकी तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
You can ask your query. कहाँ stuck हो रही हैं आप? What confusion you are facing?
ये एक्चुअली उसको ना बार बार देखना पड़ता है, ये जो कुम और ये जो की का है ना, उसी को
Because of
प्रैक्टिस को फिर बार बार।
exactly, you need a lot of practice. When we do so much practice, so automatically we can get the understanding that here we can use kum and here we can use kuma and where we can use ki or ka. So this would be needed practice, consistent practice. So automatically we will get the understanding. Right now, I'm sharing the screen, and today we will do the tasarif. We will practice them so we can easily know that how can we make sentences, especially using verb, past, present, and future. As you know that verb is fail in Arabic, and it means that it mentioned the time. All right. Okay. So here you can see fail muzare as we have discussed earlier. Can you see the screen, Sumera?
जी जी।
All right. So, do you remember that we have discussed yadribu? It means that we are talking about a person who is not present. Like we are talking about a third person, he or he. Yes, we are talking about a male he. So we will say yadribu. Okay. So these two words you can see. Wait a minute. Yes, these three words you can note down in your notebook. Yadribu, he hit. Yadribani, two male hit. And Yadribuna, it's a plural of male, means they hit. Likewise, Tadribu, she hit. Tadribani, two female hit. Yadribna, this is a plural. Now, let me clear to you that we have done the detached and attached pronouns. So don't jumbled up these fail mudare, fail mazi, and fail amr. Don't jumbled up, don't mix up. They are detached and attached pronouns, like you can say ismuka, ismuki, ismukuma, ismukum. They have also dual and plural, but they are ism, and these are fail. So don't mix them. Are you getting my point, Sumera? They are ism. So, like you should have to know that how can you segregate both of them. This is fail verb. Those are ism. Those are noun. Yes, Sumera. Is there any confusion like so far? So do let me know.
ये मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही, एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर।
क्या समझ नहीं आ रही? देखें, हमने जो डिटैच्ड एंड अटैच्ड प्रोनाउंस किए हैं, डू यू रिमेम्बर दैट? दोज आर व्हाट दे आर इसम. इसम क्या होता है? We are like names, place names, things name, they are ism, noun. Okay, and these are verb. As you know, verb shows the time. And we are talking about in verb, dual and plural. Are you getting my point? Like for instance, we have read in the lesson. Let's see. Let's check it out the lesson. Wait a minute. That's why I was asking that, because dwell, and after seeing the dwell and plural, people might have confusion that, see, noun is a separate thing, fail is a separate thing. Detached and attached pronouns, dwell and plurals, we have read earlier, we have learned earlier. Those are ism, those are noun. Are you getting? Baituka, baituki, it is house. I'm talking about your house, my house. Baiti, baituka, baituki, baitukuma, baitukum, baitukunna. But right now we are talking about verb, not ism. So when we talk about verb, here, this is, wait a minute. Yes, it happened. Yes. Here I was telling you, baitukuma. Bait is the name of house, like you can say general name, you can say the pronoun, we can say. Your name is ism, my name is ism. So ismi, my name. Ismuka, your name. Ismuki, your name. Ismukuma, ismukum, two people's name, two plural name. And then ismukunna. This is ism. And I was talking about the dual and plural of ism. Today we will learn fail. We already have done the fail in earlier lessons, but we didn't know the plural and dual of fail. So today we will learn the fail. Like you can see here, wait a minute. Yes, here it is. You can see. Can you see here?
जी जी
Mata tastayqizu means when do you wake up? What does it mean? When do you wake up? So where is the verb? Can you tell me? Where is the verb?
تس تستيقظ.
Exactly. Tastayqizu means you. When do you wake up? So if I would say tastayqizu to two people, when I would say, when do you two people wake up? So how would I ask? This is what we need to know. Let's check it out. Here. ये है second person. See, tadrib. Tastayqizu we have done. You, when do you wake up? Tastayqizani. When do you two people wake up? Tastiqizani. Okay? Tastiqizuna means I am talking about second person, I mean audience who is in front of me, plural of males. Tastayqizuna. I am talking about so many people in front of me. Are you getting? So this is verb. This is fail we are talking about. This would be this is needed segregation in between ism and fail. Are you getting it? Yes.
Yes.
I hope you got it. Okay. So this is what I want you to understand, guys, that earlier we have done the ism and we have learned the attached and detached pronouns. But now we have to learn the fail verb where time is mentioned. Ism is all about the people's name, things name, places name, like bait, house, kitab, book. इसी तरह likewise you can say tawela, table, window, shubak, and you can say a lot of things, animal's name, people name, all of the things are ism. And we have learned earlier dual and plural of ism, kuma, kum, kunna. And today we will learn, what we will learn? Verb. As I told you earlier, that we need to learn verb. Okay, yeah, we will learn this. So let's come to the fail. I hope everyone got understood. If there would no clarity or some confusion, so you guys can ask me immediately at the specific moment instead of waiting for something else. So here we were discussing that tastayqizu. I'm talking to you. Tastayqizu. Sumaira, you are female. That's why I would say tastayqizina. Mata tastayqizina. When do you wake up? Here it is. See? They are showing it tadribina. Okay? You hit. But when I talk to two females, so I would say tastayqizani, tadribani. This is the duel of two females of second person who are hazir, who are in front of me, who are present. Okay? And if there are multiple girls or women, female, in front of me, number of females are in front of me, it means it's a plural. And it would be tastayqizna. For female, tastayqizna, tadribna. And if I would ask from a male who is in front of me, I would ask tastayqizu, like tadribu. When it would be dual, tastayqizani, tadribani. When it would be plural, tastayqizuna, tadribuna. ये मेल्स के बारे में बात हो रही है. I hope you guys got it. Yes. Now tell me, is there any confusion? This is we are
अच्छा,
talking about hazir who are in front of us. Yes.
okay, present. Tadrib, the original word of tadrib is what exactly the original meaning? What is the meaning of tadrib first? This is what
Hit.
I want to ask.
Hit.
And then second, what is the original word it is? Because if you need to connect the detached or attached, so we should know the exact word. So is it darab? It is darab?
It would, yes, darab. It would
Darab.
be darab,
Okay, fine.
yes. Also, you guys can do the research. Whatever we have done so far, the words, you can also do the research that what would be the root word. What would be the root word, okay? So, tadrib, as I told you earlier, we have already discussed in earlier lesson that tastayqizu, yastayqizu, tastayqizina, astayqizu, nastayqizu. So here, right now we are talking about what? We are talking about present people. Only present people. Okay, earlier three
Acha.
words are, these three words are for present male and these three words are for present female, like singular, dual and plural. Wahid, Musanna and Jama. Wahid, Musanna and Jama. Yes.
Acha, acha, one thing. Tadribu means you hit. For
Yes,
male it is. Fine,
exactly.
okay. If
You
I
are
want to
hitting
say I hit,
or you hit.
I hit, तो इसको अद्रिबू पढ़ेंगे,
Yes.
अद्रिबू कहेंगे.
Perfect. Yes. Adrib.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
fine.
So Adribu and Nadribu we already know. Nahnu.
Hmm.
Okay. Adribu and Nadribu. Adribu means I hit. Nadribu we hit. And a part of that we need to learn the tasarif regarding Hazir and Ghayab. Hazir kaun hote hain? Present, who are second person, second people who are in front of me, and Ghayab kaun se hote hain? Who are third person, who are not here, and we are talking about them, they. Okay. So these are the girdan. We need to do a lot of practice like this. Tadribu,
अभी भी
tadribani, tadribuna. Tadribina, tadribani, tadribna. In this way, we need to repeat, repeat, and repeat. Like we have earlier, we have done the practice in detached and attached pronouns. Yes, Nida.
No, I'm
All right.
ये
And
इसमें अब जो
here,
गायब के बारे में जब बात करेंगे तो ये यजरिबु पढ़ेंगे.
अभी गायब पे हम नहीं गए. ठीक है, अभी हम हाजिर की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम
ठीक.
गायब पे आते हैं. Right? So step by step, we need to, we are not in a hurry, okay? We need to have attention and we need to get understanding that these are hazir. These are 6 tasarif. ये 6 सीगे हैं जो हमने याद करने हैं मेल के और फीमेल के. जो फर्स्ट 3 हैं, they are for male, singular, dual and plural. And last third singular female, dual female, and plural female. Hope you understood. So can you please speak with me? We can repeat for 3 to 4 times. Start 1, 2, 3, go. Tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna. Repeat it. Tadribu,
Tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna.
tadribina, tadribani, tadribna. Now see, you have a trick, you have a tip that second person male and second person female, both dwell is same. This is the trick. You have to learn this tip that when I am talking about dwell of second female dwell and second person, I mean, who is present, who is not absent, who is present, present person is in front of me. So 2 male and 2 female. For both of them, we use the same girdan, tadribani, tadribani. Tastaiqizani, tastaiqizani. What else? Tazhibani, tazhibani. Like this, we can make whatever we have done in earlier previous lessons. Try to sort it out, take them out, take those words out and make their dwell and plurals. This would be your home assignment and try to share it in group. All right, tadribu, you male. Tadribani, you 2 male. Tadribuna, plural, all of the males who are in front of me, who are present. Tadribina, you female. Tadribani, you dwell female. Tadribna, you all females who are in front of me, who are present. Okay, now next. Move on to the Muzare Ghayab. Okay, this is Muzare Maruf. We have 2 things, Muzare Maruf and Muzare Majhul. हमने so far we have done the Muzare Maruf in the previous lessons. Majhul अभी तक हमने नहीं किया. I would share it later on. But अभी हमने Muzare Maruf पे focus करना है that we need to learn all of the things. अभी हमने Muzare Maruf के हाजिर के सीगे याद किए हैं मेल और फीमेल के. Now we are coming to the Ghayab, male and female. Ghayab means they are not present here and we are talking about them in English. They, them, he, she. Okay. So you can see earlier one are for male. He, yadrib or yadribu, yadribani. See, yadribani is same. But they were tadribani and it is yadribani. So in this way, we also get the tips for us to help. See, tadribani and tadribani is here. And here, yadribani and yadribani are same. Okay. So male, he hit, yadribu. 2 people, 2 males, they hit, yadribani. They hit, I'm talking about plural, lots of males, yadribuna. She hit, tadribu. She, 2 females, hit, tadribani. Plural of female, they, yadribna. Yadribna. So we can, when we do continuous practice of for girdan, like yadribu, yadribani, yadribuna. Tadribu, tadribani, yadribna. 6 सीगे ये हैं और 6 सीगे ये हैं. Present
जो लास्ट वन है वो यदरिबना क्यों है जबकि फीमेल्स की बात हो रही है लास्ट वन में.
yes,
फीमेल्स में तो,
but you can see that this is the sequential dwell and plural.
हाँ तो देखिए ऊपर जो एब्सेंट फीमेल है बट शी इज 1, तदरिबु. एब्सेंट फीमेल है, शी इज 2, तदरिबान. बट शी इज एब्सेंट मल्टीपल, तो यदरिबना हो गया वो. तो व्हाई दिस ता इज कन्वर्टेड टू या, दिस इज This is difficult to understand for me.
Yes, it's beyond the understanding. Some words,
Huh.
even abhi, when we as we will move on in the more understanding towards grammar and other things, so there are multiple things you would have. It would be beyond your understanding because वो बस है जो अरब्स जो थे वो बोलते थे, तो that's why we need to learn them as it is.
कोई ग्रामेटिकल रीजन, जैसे आप पीछे देखिए ऊपर
There's
3
no
मेल हैं,
reason. Yes,
तीनों मेलों का या है,
exactly.
यद्रिबू है, यद्रिबान है और यद्रिबून है, तीनों या है, चाहे वो 1
Exactly.
हो 2 हो या डबल है, लेकिन तीनों एब्सेंट है तो यहाँ पे है। जो कुछ हमने अभी तक पढ़ा उसमें ये था कि ता रेफर्स टू फीमेल्स एंड या रेफर्स टू मेल। दिस इज व्हाट जो है ना ग्रामेटिकल
Exactly.
आप कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स बनाए लर्न करने के लिए चीजें, तो दिस इज समथिंग, सिर्फ
This is
एक
something
केस
you
आया था
need
हमारे
to,
पास।
yes,
हाँ,
you need to ratta. You need to put the ratta like practice.
ओके फाइन,
Okay.
ओके।
So when we get the understanding and when we learn repeatedly, so automatically it would get the understanding that okay, here we need to do this and that. Because you know what, uh, uh, when we all together, when we talk about male and female, so you know what can we use? We can use the thing which we use for males. This is also a tip that you can understand that Quran Pak, Allah Ta'ala, when Allah Ta'ala is asking or talking to the males and females all together, so you will see there that the particulars, those sighe which we use for males in plural, so they are using for all together males and females. Okay, like I am talking about
Yes,
somebody, some
yes,
people.
I know. This is, you're right, you're right. In Quran, it is like this, that when Allah
Exactly.
is, Allah is talking to a complete nation, and there's no discrimination of men and feminine or
A part
male.
of nation also
हाँ,
you will see, you will observe that.
हाँ, यानी अवामुन नास से बात, जिसे हम नास
Exactly.
कहते हैं ना, ह्यूमंस, जैसे आप ह्यूमन से बात कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें मेल और फीमेल की डिस्क्रिमिनेशन
नहीं,
के बगैर
आप ये
वो
भी वहां
वहां।
भी देखेंगी जहां पे निसा
हम्म,
एंड वो रिजाल, निसा एंड
हम्म,
रिजाल की भी बात हो रही है ना, यानी मर्द और
हम्म,
औरतों को सेपरेटली भी बताया जा रहा है। उसमें भी आप
हम्म,
देखेंगी कि अगर या किलून या उस तरह की चीजें यूज हो रही हैं, तो
हम्म,
वो वाले सीखे
मेल्स की
होंगे
बात।
जो मेल्स
हाँ,
के प्लूरल होंगे।
जो मिलकर रेफर, हाँ ठीक है,
Exactly,
सही सही,
males
ऐसा ही
plural.
ऐसा ही।
So this is the tip to understand and remind yourself. And these are all like all about your practice, repeated practice. Like हमने भी रट्टा ही लगाकर ये याद की हैं चीजें। तद्रिबू, तद्रिबानी, तद्रिबूना, तद्रिबीना, तद्रिबानी, तद्रिबना। Now गायब, yadribu, yadribani, yadribuna, tadribu, tadribani, yadribna. So these kind of things which are little difficult but little tricky. So when we will do the practice repeatedly, these girdan, these tasarif, automatically we understand. Okay. So let's move on. ये हमारे हो गए फेले मुजारे मारूफ, फेले मुजारे मारूफ। ठीक है, अब मारूफ ये जहन में रखें कि हमने आगे मजहूल पढ़ना है, इसलिए दीज आर फेले मुजारे मारूफ विच आर नॉर्मली वी आर लर्निंग इन रीडिंग इन लेसन्स इन द बुक। एंड मजहूल अभी तक हमने नहीं पढ़ा है, वो हम जब जाएंगे तो आई लेट यू नो। नाउ अद्रिबू नद्रिबू, वी ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट इट, I hope. Okay. So I think there's nothing to discuss about this. Any confusion regarding it, or shall we move?
No confusion.
All right. Okay. So next is Fele Mudare Maruf, the whole Girdan. So here you can see Yadribu, Yadribani, Yadribuna. It's male. Tadribu, Tadribani, Yadribna. एक second. Yes. Yadribu, Yadribani, Yadribuna. It's male. Gayab. He is not present. It's like it means that we are talking about them, they, he. Tadribu she, tadribani she, they, yadribna they. females. Now second person, tadribu. Second person, male, tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna, tadribina, you female, tadribani, tadribna. So these kind of things will make confusion. That's why try to do a lot of practice, a lot of practice. Inshallah, we will make the sentence making as well. Inshallah. Now it's Muzari Majhul. I'm not supposed to share it right now. Firstly, we need to yes, Mazi पे आ जाते हैं. Mazi Hazir. Now I told you that we need to discuss about the Mazi. Like istayqista. Istayqista. That's why I'm telling you the previous word which we already have done. Zahabta. We are talking about Hazir. Means ये 6 सीगे जो हैं ये हाजिर मेल और फीमेल के लिए हैं. दिस इज जो फर्स्ट 3 हैं दे आर फॉर मेल्स एंड लास्ट 3 आर फॉर फीमेल्स. ऑल राइट, सी
But past
दरबता.
there.
I
But for past.
exactly
For
दरबता
past. Okay.
exactly. He you hit it. दरबता, you hit it. तुमने मारा. दरबतुमा, you both of you hit it. You आप तुम दोनों ने मारा. दरबतुम, you all hit it. ओके, दरबती. अब आपने इसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेट करना है कि यू मेल और फीमेल एंड मी. these three sigas are similar, just Arab का difference है. There is a difference in between Arab. You can check. See, darabta, you, darabti, you, darabtu. Darabtu. Darabtu means I hit it. Wait a minute. इसमें इन्होंने ओके इन्होंने वो उसका नहीं दिया हुआ है मी का. यहाँ पर मी का नहीं है, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू दरबता जबर के साथ दरबता. You can jot it down in your notebook for your tip that there are 3 sigas. Firstly, I am telling you darabta, you hit it, male. Darabti, you hit it, female. Darabtu, I hit it. So here you can easily discriminate that Arab are different. For male, Zabar. For female, Zair. For me, Mutakallim, who is talking, Pesh. So you can write it down in your notebook. And for us, Nahnu ke liye use hota hai darabna. You can write here, it's not mentioned. Darabna. Darabna. Istayqizna. Istayqizna. Zahabna. ओके. अब हमने फर्स्टली हमने अभी एक पर्सन की बात की है. वी टॉक अबाउट ओनली अ सिंगल पर्सन. दरबता. दरबता, यू हिटेड. दरबती, यू हिटेड. सो नाउ आई विल गो टू ड्वेल. दरबतुमा. दरबतुमा. डू यू रिमेम्बर guys, kuma, kum, kuma, kunna. So here for in past you can use those that pattern. So easily you can remind yourself, okay, whatever we have done in ism, so that pattern we can use in past tense. So easily you can learn this, right? Darabtuma, darabtum, darabti for female.
अच्छा, what I understood is कि past में जो word होता है उसके आगे यहाँ पे आपने ता ऐड किया है, ठीक है ना. दरब था, दरब के आगे आपने ता ऐड किया तो ये पास्ट में चला गया.
आप इसका पैटर्न लिखे ना निदा. इद्रब, इद्रब, सॉरी अजहब है ना. अदरब. अदरब मींस आई हिट. इट्स प्रेजेंट.
I hit, ठीक
है.
ठीक है,
अदरब,
प्रेजेंट है,
यदरब.
ठीक है.
तो उसको हमने शुरू का हम हटा देते हैं एंड एंड में हम ता लगा देते हैं. दरब
ता लगाते हैं. अच्छा, मेरा सवाल ये है कि ये ता हर वर्ड में ता ही लगेगा रेफरिंग टू पास्ट, और कुछ डिफरेंट होता है. हर वर्ब के अंदर हम पास्ट रेफर करने के लिए ता ही लगाएंगे.
यस.
अच्छा, ठीक है. ये
डाउन ना ज़हबता, ज़हब,
हाँ,
ज़हबती, ज़हबतू. वेट अ मिनट, और देखते हैं कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं हमारे पास. यस, ये यहाँ देखें आप एक सेकंड. This is, see, taraktum, tarakta. हमने ये पढ़ा था, if you remember last time when I have given you the that detached pronounced document. There we have
ये
read, I remember, tarakta, tarakta, tarakti, taraktu. So here taraktum, taraktum, तुम सब मर्दों ने छोड़ा. tarakta का मतलब I left, you left. So taraktum, you all males left. All right.
Okay.
See, ghasalti, aghsal. Do you remember we have learned yaghsilu,
Yes, aksal means
aghsilu?
washing,
Exactly.
washing.
So ta ghasalti, you washed. Ghasalti, malabis, you washed the clothes. Balagta, पहुंचा, arrived. So अब लग होगा इसका, I think फेले मुदारे. So these kind of things, this is the pattern you guys can make. I will give you these things, and you can do the practice. Here you can see the, wait a minute, verbs. We have 6 more minutes. Tomorrow at the same time we will have another class. So we will I will tell you some sentences so we can easily know that how can we utilize and learn those things. So here you can see af'al. See sataf'al, here you can see. Yes, sataf'al. It is for the future, so that's why we are saying sataf'al. Here we can apply in past. Here. Yes, Yira. Darabtu, darabna, mazi mutakallim. As I told you, it's a past. Darabtu, darabna.
तो fa'altu, fa'alna होगा. Fa'altu is for
Exactly. The same pattern. The same pattern. See here. Darabta, fa'alta. Darabtuma, fa'altuma. Darabtum, fa'altum.
fa'altu.
Darabti, fa'alti. Darabtuma, fa'altuma. Darabtunna, fa'altunna. All right, and let's move on the ghaib. Daraba. Daraba means he hit it. Daraba. Fa'ala. Daraba. Fa'ala. See, बोलने में एक ही जैसा लग रहा है, बट एंड में अलिफ आ रहा है. ठीक है, दोनों में फर्क है. ये दिस इज ड्वेल. फर्स्ट है दरबा, ही हिट इट. दरबा, टू मेल्स हिट इट. दरबू, दे हिट इट. दरबत, she hit it. Darabata, two females hit